Okay, so this may not be a great video, but this is once again an unveiling of the beautiful crystals and magical working items that you receive from Maria at Maria Heals. So let me see. We have yellow fluorite, obsidian, oh, I've got it and I know what it is. Lepidolite, rose quartz, green venturine, sodalite, I said obsidian. I think there's pyrite there, and copper and agate, which is in this one, sandstone, which the goddess segment told me to use, clear quartz, as you can tell, and I think this is muted quartz. I could be wrong. Maria will correct it if I'm not. But once again, the beautiful and amazing things received in the advanced circle with Maria Hills. Bye.